Microbits are really useful devices. They're microcontrollers, which means that you can program them in order to make robots. You can program physical microbits, like the one I'm holding in my hand, or you can program simulated ones without even needing to purchase a microbit of your own. To simulate an online microbit, you can go to the website makecode.microbit.org. And that website looks like this. Once you're here, you can start programming your own simulated microbit by clicking this purple button that says New Project and typing a name for your project. I'm going to call mine Demo, but you can call yours whatever you want. Once we hit Create, it'll take us to a screen that looks like this. And here we have our simulated microbit. We can write instructions for this in the form of code, and this little guy is going to follow whatever instructions we write. Over on the right-hand side, you can see that we have this big open space. This is where we can write our code, where we can take blocks of instructions and assemble them together. And you might notice that there are already two blocks out here. There's one that says on start, there's one that says forever, but there are no others. We're going to get back to on start and forever in a second. We can get our code blocks from this column in the middle. This column is a bunch of categories, and if we click on a category, we can see all the code blocks that belong to that category. We can pull out any block and use it in our code. For today, we're going to look at the basic blocks. For example, I'm going to pull out this block here that says show string hello, and we'll see what it does. When I pull it out and drop it into my blank space, you might notice that it's gray and yellow. That means that this block isn't ready to run yet. It needs a little more from us before it'll do its job. Specifically, this block needs to go inside of onStart or inside of forever. You see how both of these blocks have little sockets in them that are shaped just right for showString? So let's try putting showString in onStart and watch what our microbit does. Our microbit says hello. And our microbit says hello just once. But if we take our showString hello block and put it in forever, our microbit is going to say hello over and over again until we unplug it or leave the website. This is the difference between onStart and forever. OnStart makes stuff happen just once, forever makes stuff happen over and over and over again. Also, we can change the text that is inside of this white space. Anytime you see a block in Microbit with white space, you can change what's in it. So for example, I could say, hi there. And now my Microbit will start saying that instead. I want to show you a couple of other really useful blocks that we can use out of the basic category. This block here says show LEDs. It allows us to tell certain lights on this LED screen to be on and others will be off. Another word for this screen, by the way, is the LED matrix. You might hear it called that from time to time. So if I just want my corner lights to be on, I'll click here, 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 and here. And I'll put this in my forever block and see what happens. Now all of our corner lights are on. You could use the show LEDs block to show any picture you want by filling it in on this grid here. And I want to show you one other block. This one is show icon. This lets you show a picture from a set of pre-made pictures that are built into Microbit. Right now, it'll show a heart. But you might notice there's a white arrow right here. Anytime that you see a white arrow in Microbit, you can click it and you'll see all of a bunch of other options too. So I could have this cool face with sunglasses showing instead. That's all for today. Bye-bye!